My name is Arvind Rajan, founder of seaMak Group. See, way back when I actually really from my college I left. I didn't want to be employed with anybody. So that was a big task for my father to put me somewhere. So he introduced me to this business through one of his friends. It was a small water treatment chemicals. We had a small manufacturing setup, then we had our own brand of chemicals. And as we started with chemicals, then we got into water treatment plants. Challenges were the same, like, people used to not trust us, when you say I'm going to supply from Bangalore. So people used to not believe, whether this company will supply, install, execute and do all the services. So we had to slowly develop our own offices everywhere. That's how we started our offices in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mysore, all these places we have our own offices. So we are not working like any other company through agents or something. We have our own people, our own team, our own branch heads and all are there. So then we could gain some confidence with different clients at all the places. You say, okay, you're Delhi based, you have a setup here, okay. As I told you, see, we wanted to cater all the industries or all the residential sectors all over the country. The main thing was advantage with us, we had the design strength with us. Design was a major strength with us. So today, if you ask me, we have got all the technologies. So that made us go and talk to anybody. See, it was like a supermarket, we had all the products with us. So that all the companies never had. So some companies were sticking to some particular technologies. In our case, we went in for all the technologies which is available. As I told you, we had the technology with us. We have technology for all the technologies which is in the market today in the worldwide. So we developed all the technologies. So we are able to cater all kind of technologies from a conventional system to the advanced membrane technology we have got. So design was one of our strengths. So today we could go and speak to anybody, any client, we could meet their requirements. So that was the advantage, we got involved everywhere. See, we are in touch with various international companies from overseas like US, UK, Germany. All these companies we are connected. See, only thing is we didn't try to sell the entire product of any German company or a US company. So we were indigenizing maximum possible things here. So only the main components which is really required from there we were importing, and with our own capabilities we were trying to establish. So that was easing out the cost on the client. So if we are importing something 100%, the cost goes up quite huge. So we could do that by understanding the technology of different countries and picking up only the core products from there which were not available in India. And we are also trying to redevelop the same thing here. So that way, we are not dependent on any foreign source for anything. We are trying to be on our own maximum possible. No, there were a lot of up and downs. I won't say that everything was rosy for us. See, we had up and downs. Only thing is, when I started this company with a very small capital and everything, so I had a very good support of my vendors. My vendors and a lot of friends supported us in this whole thing. And there was a boom in the market for real estate. Way back in 2000, 2002, 2005, there was a boom of a lot of real estate business developing. So real estate was developing in Bombay, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. So we could capture a lot of business. So that's why we could establish everywhere. So that was the advantage for us that today, we reached almost all quarters of the country except Jammu, Kashmir and little bit of Calcutta we couldn't do. Otherwise, we have reached everywhere possible. So we are able to do business like that. And then we started doing business with the bigger brands. We had a lot of bigger brands, we could work with them. So that was the advantage part. When we started working with bigger brands, say for example, you say L&T Larsen Tubro, Tata Projects, Puravankara Projects, we started working in the bigger league. So our business also started growing in that levels. Today, all the blue chips inquiries do come to us. So that was the growth rate of expansion made us go everywhere. Our whole business is totally environment friendly because our business is totally recycling. That's a major component which is an advantage for anybody. It's a totally a greenfield projects. So today you are able to recycle water. When the plants what we supply, we are able to recycle the water for flushing, gardening, cooling tower, non-critical applications, road wash, car wash. We are a greenfield project. So ours is everything eco-friendly only. My vision is, my team who's there with me, who started working with me from past 15 years, 17 years, they'll be taking the lead. So we are giving them independent pockets to operate. So they'll be running the show forever, as much as they can do, they'll continue doing the business. So the vision is, keep the company moving. So the next generation will also get into the business, and they're already into the business.